blessing in terms of that. So this, are we going to commit to not just even to Chicago, Nigeria, but rather in your little space to help one another? Are we going to commit to that? Are we committing to that? That you will always help your colleague, that you will always help one another. People say things like, oh, women fight themselves. I don't believe you. Do you believe? Why I don't believe is, this is not a women event. Why do we have over 4,000 people here? No, it's a question. Why do we have over 4,000? Because we want to do more. Isn't it? We want to do more. So I want you to hold, I don't know if Sandra can just help us with her cute voice. Really? Please, can I have a mic to Sandra? Please, let's just sing something. And can you just hold your hands? I want us to sing, I need you. What if, and then at a point she decided, you know what, let me go and fly some more before I come for this kind of role. The two men, one came for the interview, oh yes, oh sure, yeah, and they gave him the job. When he came out, he now turned to the other guy and said, oh boy, I bet where airline school did. This is what we do. This is what we do. Build your confidence, step up to the table. You can never do more if you choose not to step up. You can't.
1 week later.
Hi guys, welcome back. So today is Friday and it's exactly 1 week from the day I attended the HAAWK conference. So I just came back from school drop-off. I have dropped my son in school and I'm back trying to fix myself breakfast. So today was a rainy day, so and the best breakfast to have is toasted bread and a cup of tea, and that was what I felt like eating, and that was why I had to fix myself this. And then after this I'm going to be unboxing some things that I got, some kitchen items that I got for the house, and also some things I needed for the house. So I'm going to be unboxing that after I'm done having breakfast. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button. Please like the video and also share. And I also want to use this medium to appreciate the new subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for sticking on this journey with me. Thank you. I appreciate you all, both the new and the old subscriber. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. yeah, so these are everything that I bought for my kitchen. Yeah, although I'm going to still buy some more, but for now these are everything I bought and I love them, especially this. That's the spice jar. I love them so very much. I love everything I bought and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Alright guys, see you guys later. Bye.